What's up, guys? Dave here in the 2016 Cadillac ATS-V. Cruising around through downtown Atlanta this evening. A fix that I just finally solved on this car. If you get a check engine light relating to the fuel tank pressure sensor, I believe it's P0451 will be the check engine light code. And you've tried, replacing your gas cap, cleaning the gas cap spout, replacing, there's a sensor in the front also, and none of those things, and you make sure that you reset the code as well. You can get a little device to do that online. Buy that on Amazon or whatever, very easy to do. But if none of those things have solved your issue, the actual sensor for the fuel tank pressure sensor, it's called, probably needs to be replaced. Now, if you own a regular Cadillac ATS or CTS model, it might not be that difficult of a job. On the other hand, if it is a V model, ATS-V, CTS-V, you're talking a whole different story of how to replace it. So, I was getting an oil service at my Cadillac dealer, Capital Cadillac in Smyrna, Georgia, where this car actually came from originally. But I was getting oil service done, and I got to thinking about it. I said, all right, let me just ask them how much it's going to cost to replace that part, especially if I bring them the part. And I was surprised that they said, yeah, we'll put your part on, as long as it's an OEM AC Delco part or whatever. I said, all right, what's the labor estimate for that job? To my surprise, he said 1.5 hours. And I'd already done some research, reading around online, people saying that it's a pretty involved job. So I said, fine, go for it. I'll take your 1.5, because once they quote you that, they're not going to change it. 4.5 hours later, they finally got it done. I was only billed 1.5. Beautiful thing. And let's see, it's been, that check engine light was coming back on every few days. And I reset it every time, no matter what I did, but I was just tired of the light coming on, because with this car, if the check engine light is on, you can't use your remote start, so it's a little bit annoying. But it's been over a week now, and the check engine light has not returned. So I'm thinking I totally lucked out. And for you guys, take your car to your Cadillac dealer and see if they can confirm that it's only about a 1.5 hour labor job. And see if you can even bring them the part. Even if you don't bring them the part. See how much they'll charge you for it. Hopefully it's not that much. But, it's just one of those things, if your car constantly has a check engine light that keeps coming back no matter what you do to it, it's very frustrating. And for me, I have more than one car, so I would end up parking this thing in the garage because I don't want to see that stupid light come back on. And for this model, I was noticing a little bit of sputtering occasionally, it'd be like very, very light sputtering from time to time. That also has been resolved. So So that's another thing. If you're having a sputtering issue and you can't figure it out, it's very likely it is the fuel tank pressure sensor. And it's back there in the back. And as far as what I've heard, it's on top of the fuel tank. So it's almost impossible to get to. You can't get to it from inside the cabin. You know, it's just very difficult to do. And they had their good V mechanic on that job for this car. And it took him over 4 hours. Better him than me, because it probably would have taken me all weekend to try and do it. So, totally awesome. Anyway, check out other videos. We got videos about this car, about all kinds of other cars, trucks, dirt bikes, street bikes, Harley Davidson, Suzuki GSXRs, Yamaha YZ models, Harley Davidson, Ford Mustangs, Ford Taurus X, Hummer H3 Alpha, Chevy trucks, you know, all kinds of stuff. So just scan through our channel. You might be surprised at the stuff you find. And also, Google Horsepower House. We have an Amazon and eBay store where we sell mostly motorcycle and ATV and dirt bike related specialty tools and small parts. You know, kind of unique stuff. So check it out. You might be surprised what you find, and you'll be going, wow, I've been needing one of those, or I've never tried one, and I want to try it out. Anyway, there you go. Biker Dave signing off into Cadillac ATS-V. I wish I could open it up because this road is a little bit tight, so it can't really go very fast down through here. Anyway, that's it. Y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all later.